Hello, everyone. My name is Ken, and I'd like to give you a brief overview of an IT management tool set that I've been using for the past 3 years or so. It's called Canfigure, and I'll put some links in the website and the support email in the comments section in case you want to see more or set up a quick demo with the company. Canfigure is a full range IT tool set, which includes things like service management, asset and configuration management, change management, lifecycle management, and really it's flexible enough to track almost any attributes or inventory that you would desire to do. I'm going to give you a brief overview today, but I'll follow up this video with a series of other videos that walk through each of the modules and give you more specific information about them. So let's jump right into it then. First thing I'm going to talk about is service management in the tool set. And obviously, each one of the modules has a dashboard associated with them. And so it's very easy to track graphically and by list the things that uh, the dashboard does and the backend tracks. Um, so a full range of service management tools, incidents, problems, requests, risks, any kind of tasks or things like that. Also a knowledge base and a service catalog, as well as business service and support services. You can chart, make reports, and any kind of templates you want. I'll briefly show you the incident template uh, in the test database. And so again, um, any of these attributes can be changed or are flexible enough to be modified on the fly for each form. You can create your own forms. Not all these attributes obviously have to be included, but they are there by default and can be configured in any way you choose. As far as a dashboarding is concerned, and again, it does show things, incidents, requests, overdue tickets, anything that you would want to see on a dashboard can be done with the service management module. It does have a full range of calendaring, so you can look at your incidents and see when your SLAs are and when they run out, and track incident tasks assigned to specific people, and certainly track reports and audit reviews on anything that you need to. I'm going to go on to asset management now. Asset, excuse me, asset covers just about anything that you would want to track: customers, vendors, locations, any kind of contracts you want, maintenance schedules, buildings, motor vehicles, office equipment, almost anything that you can imagine. A database can be set up to track for any type of asset. Also, maintenance tickets can be used, and install actions, sales orders, and many, many different kinds of actions for inventory and inventory regulation. I'm going to look at configuration management database now. Again, most of the things here are IT related, but in the previous module, asset, you can track anything. So in the IT related module for configuration management, you can track data center locations, uh, where servers are racked and installed, networks and network devices, which are your virtual versus physical machines, laptops, mobile phones, almost anything that you can think of as far as an IT asset is concerned can be tracked here and uh, linked. So if you install an application and put it in the database, you can actually link it to other configuration items or CIs, and you'll know where that application is installed, which server, which database server, if it uses a database backend, which laptops it's installed on. You can get as deep or as shallow as you would like to get with your IT assets in the configuration database. Also included is change management and the change management service form. I'll show you quickly a new form, but again, each form can be modified to your heart's extent. They can be as complicated or as simple as you want. This is just an example of them. And forms can be edited on the fly, saved as a template, so you can do comprehensive change, uh, complex emergency changes. You can do routine changes and save a template. So, for example, if your SQL database needs to be updated every month, you can put in a routine change, fill it out, save it as a template, and then you'll only have to fill that out once. And then every month you can submit it as a routine. Many, many flexibilities with change management and how uh, your company's workflow can use change management. The workflow for each change can be sent either for approval inside Canfigure, where they log into Canfigure and make the approvals, as well as your cab. And they can also be done externally via email and SharePoint and other forms or fashion. So whatever your process is for change management, it can be duplicated using Canfigure. I'll talk briefly about license management. And again, these are for tool requests, license history. You can do your software tools here and any software modules you have, what certificates that you need and frequency. You can even put expiration dates or review dates to remind you, and they'll all show up on the calendar, which I'll show you in a few minutes. So basically any form of licensing or um, whether it's enterprise or individual licenses can be tracked through license management. On the event calendar, which is very flexible, you can use it to show your changes. You can use it to show incidents, tasks, asset schedules, reviews, anything that your heart desires that you wish on the event calendar can be added for you. The toolset also comes native with a report section for things like CI reporting and audit reporting and things like that. But again, that is fully configurable based on your desires. Canfigure can also do license management, and so in this, for example, this tracks end of support dates for your server hardware OSs, also database OSs. Basically, anything that you put a date against can be tracked and then sent up for review at your leisure. In addition to the toolset modules that I've talked about, direct workflow management can be accomplished on many things and tracked within the tool as well. Things like user acceptance testing, user approval, user access reviews, infrastructure reviews, um, application review audits, really anything that you can track, you want to track or document for periodic or annual reviews can be done within Canfigure, and they'll all show up on the event calendar if you so desire. Document storage is also part of the CMDB, and it's possible using a workflow. So if you have periodic documents that need to be reviewed and reapproved or sent for processing, you can do that. Check in, check out, risk management, very good tool. So in addition to these things, again, if you would like a demo or would like to contact the company, the links are below in the comments section. And I really hope I've generated some interest in Canfigure today. Um, if you'd like to watch out for more videos, I'll dig into each module in more depth in the coming videos, and we'll take a deeper dive for you. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and thank you for your time.